it's Donna Coker here with Donna Coker's A Cherry Bloom Handmade Soaps, and I thought I would do a little cleanup video for you just to show you the way that I do it, and it seems to be very easy and efficient. And so let's get started. First, I always have a large sprayer, not the one I spray the tops of my soaps with, but a larger sprayer of alcohol. And the first thing I want to do is take my containers that I've used and I've scraped very well and wipe them out with paper towel. You see, that looks pretty clean because I did a good job of cleaning it. You know, you don't have to get it perfect. Just try to get all the big pieces off, the big globs or whatever, if you have any of those. I just go through all of my containers doing that. And usually 2 or 3 paper towels will take you through several containers. Get as much as you can. And I'm not going to do all my containers because I'm just doing a quick little video. So we got these 3 containers. All right, so now I'm going to get about 3 more paper towels. And normally I would have gone ahead and wiped my other containers with that one. And then I'm going to spray everything with the alcohol. Get all the oils. This one's inside and out. It's kind of a mess. Get everything off that you can. It actually looks clean when you're done wiping it. And now everything's gone. And it's ready to be washed. And you can wash it in soapy water by hand. You can throw it in the dishwasher. But the thing about it is, there's nothing left that's going to go down your drain and stop up your sink. Because I'm sure my husband would not appreciate that. Another little tip that I have is when I'm finished using my stick blender, I keep a little bit of water in a tall container. And when I'm finished, I'll put it down in there and I'll run it a couple of times. Not too far down because you don't want it to shock you, but just enough where you can run it a couple of times, and then I'll disconnect it and leave this sitting in here while I'm finishing everything else up. And this is the last thing that I clean. And because of that, when I clean it, everything just comes right off. There's no mess, there's no digging in it. It's just completely clean at that point. This, I do not pour down the drain. It goes outside. And because, you know, there are soap particles, oils in there that can eventually build up in your drain and cause a clog. But anyway, that's just my little tip on cleaning, and I have some more cleaning to do. So I'll see you next time.